What's up, guys? It's Eddie again. It's Saturday. Earlier today we went and did some garage sales, and honestly all I ended up doing was just going to one garage sale. Had some family stuff happen again, so I wasn't able to go to it anymore. From this one garage sale I should profit somewhere around $230, and that's just estimated. And I estimated normally on the lower end, so I might make a little more, but I most likely won't make any less. So $230 profit is pretty much on the low end of what I should make on this, as long as everything works like it should. Now the first item I got were these Asics Gel Noosa Tri-6s. I paid $1 for these things, and they should sell for about $40. And then with me overestimating shipment and fees, I should make about a $24 profit on these, probably a little more. The second item I got were these Nike Air Contras, and I should probably sell them at a minimum of about $35. I saw some comps for selling for 40 to 50 bucks, but I said, like I said, on the lower end, overestimating fees. I should make about $20 profit on these. The next item are these Danskin Now Dynet Technology. They're like shape ups. They should sell for around $30 to $35. And with shipping and fees and everything, probably looking at about a $15 profit on these. And the last of my shoes that I got were these Brooks GTS 12s. There's no laces, but I'll put some laces in these. And I saw comps for these upwards for $80 to $90. These are in excellent shape. I went on the low end still just in case and said $40, overestimating shipping and fees. I'm still looking at about a $25 profit on these. Now the coolest item I found, for me anyway, was this N64. Now I don't know if this works. I did check the power. I don't have the AV cables to check that yet. I do have a few more I need to get tested still sitting on the shelf. I'll probably go tomorrow and see if I can get from our local like vintage game store and see if I can get some AV cables and test all these things up and sell them. Now these things sell for various amounts of money. I went low end and said 60. You can get these things can sell for upwards for 90. I'm pretty sure I can get closer to 100 because I've got some extra controllers and games to kind of toss in with the bundle. So I should be doing pretty well with this. But like I said, I did low end, overestimated the shipping and the fees. I should be looking at about a $40 profit. Next one is this Sony Vaio computer, and it comes with the charging cable. Now I did turn this on, did make sure that it was running smoothly. Everything seems to be fine. I have a friend here locally who's really good at all this stuff. I'm gonna drop this off at him, let him do a quick look over and clean it up for me, make it all good and smooth. But as long as it's working like I think it is, this is on a low end $60. Overestimating the shipping and the fees. I should make about a $36 profit on this, probably a little more, especially depending on how well my friend does on this. The next item I picked up was this Magnavox combo. I looked up comps on these things, and once again it was varying wildly from low end around 55 upwards to $90. I did not have any remotes, so I think I might have one already listed by itself for this exact set. I'll go look later, but just in case I didn't count that, I went on the low end at $50, overestimating my shipping and my fees, and I'm probably looking at about a $25 to $27 profit on this right here. Now I know I'm not 100% sure it works. I know it powers on, I know it plays a tape and then it opens and closes, and so it's not 100% sure this is gonna work, but as long as it does, and I think it does, I should be looking pretty good. And the next item I got at this garage sale was this Toshiba combo set, and it's the same set, same situation. He had extra like little tape there that I was able to like make sure that it was able to load and play and rewind and fast forward. But if it showed picture on, I don't know. But yeah, it all seems to work as far as I can test it without a TV on hand. So I will test these and make sure. But I think we're pretty good. They all seem to be in pretty good shape. It's the same situation with this one. Low one was 55. You're looking at somewhere from like 80 bucks, 90 bucks to $100, depending on. And I don't have a remote for this. I'm pretty sure I don't have one, but still low end with overestimating my shipping and my fees. I'm still looking at about a $25 profit here. These right here actually were given to me. I didn't pay anything for them, but I'll just kind of lock these up together. Probably get about $10 for them. They're super easy to do. These blank media. You really only do really well with these things if you have a bunch of them. But no, I'll probably just lock these up in one little lot. See if I can get them to go for 10 bucks free shipping. Probably make $5 on them. And the last thing, which I don't have with me, but he did give me a whole bunch of remotes, and I checked to make sure those remotes didn't go to those VCRs, and they don't. But I didn't pay anything for those remotes as well. And I hadn't tested any of them. But usually I can sell remotes for a minimum of about $10 with free shipping. And depending on the remote, some can go higher for 35, 40 bucks. I don't expect that. I expect probably $8 to $10 for these things. And I have 5 of them. I expect 2 of them not to work. So you look at 3 selling for 30, probably making about $15 profit on those things. This is all one garage sale. I paid $30 flat for everything, and that also included some stuff for my wife that she wanted there. I probably actually spent about $22 for all of this. I should come out with about a $230 profit, but at the bare minimum, I should at least break a $200 profit on all these items. And this was all just one garage sale. Now this isn't typical. I don't typically find such a wide range of stuff from one garage sale. This guy happens to be somebody who buys storage units and then just puts it all up for garage sales and sell them, which is a great contact. I plan on approaching him at this next garage sale that's coming up soon and kind of see if he can work some kind of contact, maybe a deal. Let him know that I'm a reseller and I'm willing to buy the items from him as long as I have room to make money on my end, and you know, maybe make a contact. And so, but you never know if you don't try. Anyway, that's all I really want to do. Kind of keep this a really short video, show you what I made from this one garage sale, which I thought was a really cool pull. Not normally do I pull all this kind of stuff from one place. Anyway, take it easy, guys.